everyone, it's me Chang. Welcome to UA2 Storehouse. Today I'll show you how to make a simple dress for any kind of doll, and you can style it with a corset to make it more interesting. I'll make this dress out of non-stretchy fabric, so I need to make a very form-fitted pattern. First, wrap cling film around the mannequin body and stick paper tape to it. Cut some split on the tape if needed to fit perfectly on the body. As always, all files on the link in the description. After that, draw on desired bodice shape. Then cut it out using X-Acto knife and scissors. Trace the pattern on a piece of paper. Because the dress has symmetrical design, I only trace half of the pattern. Then add about 4mm or 1/8 of an inch for seam allowance. Fold the paper in half and cut out the pattern. For the back, I'll add 8mm more to sew the Velcro later. For the skirt part, a simple rectangle will do, around 7 x 30 cm or 2 3/4 x 12 inches. First, sew the two back sides to the front of the bodice. Then hem the top. You can pin the fabric down before sewing. By the way, I'm using the adjustable ply hem foot that came with my sewing machine when I bought it. It makes sewing small hems so much easier. Or a magnetic guide like this one will definitely help. Sew these splits together. For the skirt part, first hem the bottom edge. Then I fold this paper like this to make a mold for fabric. And firmly fold 2 sheets of paper with the fabric in the middle like this, and iron them all. After everything cools down, we have this beautiful pleated fabric. Then sew the bow ties and the skirt together. Lastly, sew the Velcro on. And close the back. Let's see the dress on my evil witch. The silly me forgot to press record when I repainted her face and sewed her hair. So I decided to split the video into several short tutorials for her outfits. Are you interested in how I make her top hat, corsets, jackets, shoes, and second outfits? Do you like this kind of short tutorial, or do you want the whole doll creating progress in one video? Please let me know in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!